In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Telegram channel link in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to share your channel with friends, add it to your website, or post it anywhere so people can join quickly. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the channel you want to get the link for. Make sure you are inside the correct channel, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in the channel, look at the top area and click on the channel info. Depending on your device, this may appear as group info or channel info, but it will open the main details page for that channel. On the info page, you'll see several options related to managing the channel. From here, click Manage. This is where Telegram keeps the settings for editing and controlling your channel. If you have permission as an admin, you'll be able to access the invite and sharing options. Next, find and click Invite Links. This section is where Telegram stores the join links for your channel. If you already have an existing link, you may see it listed here. If not, Telegram will allow you to create or view the available invite link options. Once the invite link appears, click Copy Link. Telegram will copy the channel invite link to your clipboard, and now you can paste it anywhere you want. You can share it in messages, social media bios, email, or even on your website to help people join your channel easily. That's all there is to it. You now know how to get your Telegram channel link in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Telegram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.